Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. What have I got in store for you today? I've created a Ramadan Mubarak welcome dooring for you to make. So I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions. The colours that you decide on is going to be really important because it's a welcome sign. It's from outside your house that people can see it. And the idea of having a welcome is something that people who are passing by will know you're going to be fasting, you're going to be taking part in Ramadan. And sometimes it creates curiosity for other people. And that curiosity is good because they can ask questions and they can be observant and aware that it's the month of Ramadan. Everybody doesn't fast, don't forget. So it's really important that we as Muslims make sure that we can educate people in the subtlest of ways, and if that means through the decorations that we put up on our windows, then that's great. If you follow this video, then you should hopefully, inshallah, be able to achieve your personal Ramadan Mubarak welcome dooring. The welcome sign will be the size of your choice so that it is visible. I've chosen a circular plate. On a reasonably strong piece of card, place your plate in the corner and draw around it. Take a smaller plate and place it in the centre of the larger circle. Be careful and try to get this as accurate as possible, as this is a skeleton for your ring and will affect the end product. Cut around the larger circle using a scissors. When it comes to the inner circle, use the stationary craft knife. Placing an extra piece of cardboard underneath your circle will help protect your surface and cushion your cardboard at the same time whilst you cut. I'm actually piercing all the way around the inner circle. I'm using a roll of crepe all the way around my ring. This will stay firm with the application of glue before wrapping. And to finish it off, use glue stick again and seal it down. I've chosen green because this complements the colour of the door that I'm placing my welcome ring on. I also wanted to add green leaves, and added the green crepe paper underneath will only enhance the leafy look. I'm placing these around my ring so they're positioned and I can see exactly where I want to staple them. I'm adding some ever so small gems. I've gone for green and white just to give it that slight lift of elegance. I'm trying to place my gems in opposite directions and then filling in the gaps. This is for consistency with the spacing. On gold paper, I want my word Ramadan Mubarak to appear. My card is gold glitter, so I am printing on the white side. I have to make sure my word is reversible, so when I cut it, the gold side appears to say the words the right way round. And using word art, in a text box, I've written Ramadan Mubarak. It doesn't matter what colour it is, but the font is my choice. Staying in the text box, I'm going to rotate, flip, horizontal. Carefully cut all around the word Ramadan Mubarak and then inside with the stationary craft knife. Don't forget to put something in between your surface and the words Ramadan Mubarak. I'm placing my words now on a transparent sheet. I'm going to put my ring on top and place my word in the centre. I'm going to cut a strip so that it goes across underneath my ring. Placing my word the right way round, I am turning my ring upside down. I'm stapling through under the leaf and over the transparent sheet. I've created my own furnace and I've printed it out on the same gold card as I did with my word Ramadan Mubarak. I'm cutting the outside and the inside. I want these to hang at 3 different lengths. I'm attaching the gold string to the welcome ring and cutting it to the length I would like my furnace to hang at. The top of the gold string is secured with staple. The furnace is secured with sellotape. Any excess sellotape on the furnace should be snipped away. Some of these strings will require 2 staples and some which are on the lower end of the ring will only require 1. To hang, I've chosen green ribbon. I've turned over my welcome ring, overlapped the ribbon so they cross and stapled it into place, making sure the staple is under the leaf on the front and central to the word Ramadan Mubarak. The Ramadan Mubarak welcome dooring is ready to hang on your front door. Don't forget to leave your comments, like, share and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Brothers and sisters all across the land.